Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry you have to see all this right now, but I wanted to do something new on my channel. It's a new series, so you know, new year, new series, because I did the Jaclyn Hill series, and I did, what in the world? And I did the Lime Crime series. So I wanted to start a new series, and it's a monthly box by Target. I believe this is something new because I've never seen a Target monthly box before. You don't pay monthly for it. You can choose to buy it that month. I bought the month of January's. They have a skincare box and the actual beauty box, but I bought the skincare box because the beauty box was skincare stuff, and the skincare one had a beauty product in it, so I figured that would be the best one to go with since I am kind of like a beauty channel. So I figured I would do that, but basically this is what it looks like. I took off the wrapping because I had my address on it, and I don't really want to show you guys my address, but it comes in like a plastic little wrapping to kind of hold the box together. It says beauty on it, Target Beauty, and it's got like little pictures and stuff on it. So I did buy the skincare one, which was strange because the beauty one wasn't even beauty, it was skincare. So that's why I got the skincare one. So when you open it, it says Hello Flawless Beauty Finds. And it basically is just like a little description of what the actual beauty box is, and it gives you a link that if you want to find the full size version of what, because this is all like travel size versions of the actual thing. And then it gives you like a hashtag, like hashtag Target Beauty or Target Beauty Box at the bottom to kind of tag like on Instagram or something. And then on the back, it gives a description of every product that's in it. You do get 7 products in the January beauty box, and then you also get a $3 off coupon of a beauty purchase of $15 or more, and you can use it online or in store. So I'm going to keep this out so that way I can kind of explain what each product is. And this is what it looks like when you open it. It's got green wrapping, and then you just kind of unwrap it. Everything's falling. So the first thing is it's by Target. It's the Up and Up Premium Cotton Rounds, which is what I use. I use the basic cotton rounds. These are the premium ones, and what it says about these is dual-sided design is strong, soft, and lint-free, making it the go-to for all skincare needs. So, and you get 2 of these in a pack. The next thing is going to be, I'm pretty sure everyone here knows what this cotton rounds are and what this is. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. The all-in-one waterproof, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara, cleanses and refreshes, no rinse, no harsh rubbing, and it's for face, lips, and eyes, and all skin types, even sensitive. No oil, no alcohol, no fragrance, and that's what that is. And the thing says it gently cleanses and effectively removes even waterproof makeup, no rinse, no harsh rubbing, just refresh skin. And then it has, like, in yellow, there's like little tips and tricks and stuff. This one says use as face cleanser morning or night for an instant refresher. And they taped it up so that it wouldn't spill, which I appreciate. So this is the micellar water. Next is Method Body Wash in the scent Pure Peace. I haven't smelled it. I'm gonna smell it. It's peony, rosewater, and pink sea salt. And that's what that looks like. smells really good. So this one, it says, is infused with peony, rosewater, and pink sea salt. This purifying body wash leaves skin thoroughly moisturized and smelling fresh. And that one doesn't have a tip. So the one beauty thing that came in this one was the Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner in the travel size. It says that ultra thin brush tip allows for perfect application so you can create a smooth, even cat eye every time. And this is what the tip looks like, for those of you wondering. And then there's a tip that says, when applying, look down into your mirror, not straight, for the most precision. Then it came with a full-size deodorant. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Relaxing Deodorant with plant-based deodorizers, and it's a new 24-hour odor protection and no aluminum, which I've heard that you really want to try to get deodorants without aluminum in them, so there's that. And it says, Moroccan Argan Oil leaves underarms moisturized while French Lavender keeps you smelling fragrant all day long. It's vegan and free of aluminum, alcohol, and parabens. So yeah, that's Argan Oil and Lavender deodorant, and that one is the full-size version. So next is, it's $7, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. The box is, you pay $7 for it, and this box came with 7 things, so you get $1 per thing, which I think is a good deal, because you couldn't buy all the travel stuff and that full-size deodorant for $7. Deodorant probably is $7. I've never tried it, but that's what I'm guessing. So the next thing is Schmidt's Wonderment with activated charcoal tooth and mouth base. Helps whiten teeth and freshen breath with vitamins and botanical extracts. That's like a mini SLS free, fluoride free, PEG free, dye free, and no artificial flavors. And this one, it says about it, activated charcoal helps freshen breath, combat plaque, and visibly whiten teeth for a picture-perfect smile. And as a hint, for extra freshness, brush teeth with baking soda and hydrogen peroxide to reduce bacteria and surface stains. So that's that. And then the last thing is the thing that I'm most excited about. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E Skin Therapy Oil. And that's what that looks like. It helps with scars, stretch marks, dry, damaged skin, uneven skin tone, and aging skin with Cetesomate E complex. It's paraben free. I'm most excited for this because it says it helps with scars, and if you can tell, you can kind of see, whenever my camera zooms in, you can kind of see like my scarring from acne in like past years, because I had really bad acne growing up, so that was kind of like a needed close-up of my face. But yeah, it's supposed to help with scars, so I will try this and I'll let you guys know. It says cocoa butter, vitamin E, and natural oils to help oils work to improve the appearance of scars and help even skin tones so you can say hello to a radiant complexion. And that is everything in the box. I kind of want to try this now. Let's see what the directions say. Gently massage into affected area 3 times daily or as often as desired. I don't know how to open it. It doesn't have like a tab to open. Just a little pair of scissors. There we go. There. So I assume you use it with your hands. It says 93% of women tested saw a reduction in the appearance of scars based on responses in an 8-week home user trial by 200 female panelists. Hypoallergenic, paraben-free, phthalate-free dermatologists tested. They also are cruelty-free, so that's even better. I don't know if I'm supposed to use my hands on this, so I'm gonna try that. We're gonna try this right now together. So I poured some on my hands, and I'm gonna kind of rub it in on my hands, and then I'm just gonna kind of massage it into my cheeks first. Kind of smells like chocolate. And I'm gonna kind of massage it into everywhere that has scars. Like the worst, especially my cheeks. My cheeks are the worst. So it doesn't say how long you're supposed to use this until you see results. But in the thing it says it was tested on an 8-week trial. So we're gonna try it for a while, and I'll use it. This is my first time using it. I started using it January 13th, 2019. So we'll see what happens. And I'll like check in every now and then and let you guys know how this is working out. Sorry, my hands look super oily now. I'm just gonna kind of press it in now. Like, I'm really hoping that helps. My skin's really soft now. Alright. It would be helpful if it told you. I mean, I guess when it says gently massage, it means with your hands. But it doesn't give you like a tip or a trick or anything on that one, which is the only downside. And I didn't wear makeup today, so that's why I just kind of put it directly on. Let's zoom in and see what it looks like. I apologize ahead of time. Okay. I'll have to look at the footage and see if it looks any different. That's a deep scar. That's gonna take some extra time. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at the footage and see if I can tell a difference. So yeah, guys, that is the video. This will be episode 1 of my I'm gonna leave this one out because I really want to keep trying that. That's gonna be episode 1 of my Target beauty box haul. Let me know if you guys want to see the other one that's supposed to be beauty but with skincare. Maybe they just mix it up, I don't know. But I'm gonna try like different ones. I should have bought them both. Now that I think about it, I should have got both of them. That way you could know what came in the other one. But I also got a new beauty blender today. This didn't come in the box. I bought this separately. But I got a new beauty blender today, and it's by Eco Tools, and it's super pretty. Like, I love the colors. And it's got a short, that's not right. It's got a short flat side, and then it also has like a long flat side, and then it's got its rounded side. So I'm gonna test this out because my Morphe one, I like it. I just wanted to kind of branch out because it was like the only thing I'm using. Plus I need to go buy a new one anyways. So yeah, it also has a flat edge on this top side. So normally it comes to like a point, but this one has like a flat edge, I guess. So I'm just gonna kind of keep testing it, and I'll let you know what I feel about it. Like when it's dry, it's a little hard, but it's not like something that I can't handle. Like whenever I'm doing like this, I'm probably taking off all that oil. Whenever I'm like hitting my skin and stuff, it doesn't feel like it's gonna be too much. So yeah, I'll let you keep you guys updated on that. So yeah, that was the Target beauty box. I just wanted to show you guys what it was because I had never seen a like monthly box by Target. Like I know Elf used to have one, and I used to be subscribed to that like way before I started my channel. I used to be subscribed to the Elf one, and I loved it because you got full-size products and it was only like $20. And I know Sephora has one, Who else do I know has one? Etsy, or not Etsy, Ipsy. I can't think of any other ones off the top of my head. Or BoxyCharm, I know they have one, like FabFitFun. You guys know what I'm talking about. Like a monthly subscription. This isn't like a subscription. You can buy it or not. And you can only ever buy, this could be the only one I ever buy, but I just thought it was cool because this was for January. So whenever the February box comes out, I will get it. I might get both of them this time. That way I can kind of show you guys what came in both of them. But yeah, so we shall see. This was the January Target beauty box. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know if you guys go and buy one too. I thought it was really cool that Target has one now, and that you don't have to like subscribe to it monthly if you ended up not liking it. So I'm kind of like, now that I've had this on, I'm kind of itching like right here. My face is a little itchy, so I'm just trying to like, you probably see me keep touching it, but my face is a little itchy right here after putting that on. So I don't know, I'll let you know how that goes too. So yeah, so that is the Target beauty box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys want to keep seeing from my channel. I'm trying to like pump out some videos before my semester gets too crazy because school just started back. So yeah, I will see you guys next time, and let me know if you guys decide to buy the beauty box, and let me know which one you bought, and if you liked it. If you didn't like it, let me know that too, and tell me why you didn't like it, because I mean, I liked this one. I thought it came with some really good like useful stuff, because I know sometimes in these subscription boxes you get stuff that you're never going to touch ever, so it was like a waste of money. But everything in here cost me $1 because I got 7 things and it was only $7. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.